Hey, and welcome back to today's More Report on Wednesday, the 5th of August, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and we've got a really interesting test again of dollar yen. The rally that we saw yesterday on the back of those Lockhart comments have dragged dollar yen once again right up towards this limit, this overhead resistance. You've got round about 124.40 to 124.60 on the intraday spikes is the resistance, and we're pretty much up there now again. Now that move we saw yesterday actually was a closing breakout. Interestingly, that's the highest closing breakout we've seen since early June. So is that suggesting that this is beginning to now get that strength to really break out? Not quite yet, according to the RSI. I'm still talking about 60 on the RSI, 60 being a level at which it hasn't broken through for several weeks. And I think if it starts to trade see the RSI consistently above 60 and preferably closing above that tonight, then that could well be the move that we're looking for the upside. But again, nothing doing yet. It's pretty much flat on the day. Not really able to follow through quite yet, even though the dollar has been stronger against most of these forex majors today. Not so much against the yen. And it's interesting that it's just not quite able to make it yet. Now, this is the hourly chart. You're back above that 23.6% fib level, 24.20. Interestingly enough, it seems to be that is sort of coming in now as a support area. So that old resistance of the fib level, it could well be supportive near term. So maybe that's a level to watch out for. But 23.80 is the big support near term, and I say near term, that was yesterday's low just before the comments. So that is certainly a support to watch out for. But interesting that we've seen this these momentum indicators on the hourly chart just rolling over a touch. MACD lines especially, and stochastics as well, rolling over. So interesting, could this be another failure? But certainly in the balance still, we haven't seen yet any decisive move on that daily chart. The only bullish signal you're really getting that's suggesting possibly a breakout is this closing high that we've seen, which is the highest since for almost 2 months now. So that is interesting, but still we're not yet at breakout point. It's very much in the balance. It could be tipped over the edge today with all this US data. So if the US data comes out strongly, you could well see further gains and a breakout on this dollar yen chart. So we are waiting for this move. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.